Alright, it's been a while since I've last broken boxes at home. But let's do this. This is Topps Finest Champions League 18-19. And as you can see at the background, a Donruss 18-19 box coming right up. Alright, let's go. This product really disappoints. Let's hope for a good one. Still a few cards short of completing the insert set. Of course, the base set has long been completed, but nice low numbered parallels are always welcome. Let's focus the image. Alright. First mini box. Let's try this for a change. So, is it possible for me to use the scissors to cut all the packs at once? Not quite possible if it's 6 packs, but 5 I think. Oops. Oh, that's very flimsy. Okay. Refractor Muller, I think I have this already. This is probably my third duplicate of this card, Pyatov Blue. Very disappointing first pack to start this break. There's a green. It's Harry Kane. Not bad. Number 99. Let's see how he will react to Pochettino's sacking. That still comes as quite a shocker to me, considering the fact that he not so long ago led Spurs to the Champions League final. Okay, autograph. Looks like orange. What could orange be? Monaco. Oh, goalkeeper. Daniel Subasic. New addition to the autograph collection. Good start to this box break. Croatian international. He was in goal for Croatia in last year's World Cup final. Not sure if he's still in Monaco though, but simple looking auto, but all on sticker. Nice start, although it's the colored autograph, which means in the second mini box we're going to have the base auto. Okay, let's wrap up the rest of the packs. Still got 3 more. Mario Götze refractor. Lukaku and Miranchuk inserts. And a purple Ismaili. Well, the Harry Kane aside, all the number hits are pretty bad. Oh well, the autograph made up for it. I'm always game for new additions to the autograph collection. Alright. A little bit of time cutting up the packs, so I think I'll just rip them apart. Salah cornerstones and Rashford refractor. The cornerstone cards are very disappointing because I've been getting multiple duplicates of those earlier cards already. This is Juan Jesus refractor. Blue coming up, it is Fernandinho, numbered to 150. I think I have this 2 already. So the number hits are very, very disappointing. Lots of duplicates. Lazy packing from Topps once again. Marco Reus standout strikers. Florenzi, Refractor, and Golovin 250. And assuming that there is a base auto in this pack, I guess that's all for numbered parallels. Very, very bad box when it comes to the numbered parallels. Really, really poor. Let's hope the autos made up for it. Number 20, oh, I think it's Joao Cancelo. Yeah. Oh, but it's colored. Okay, I'll take that. 2 colored autos. I wasn't expecting that. I already have Joao Cancelo from this product, but that was a base auto, so I was thinking to myself, okay, here comes another base. But no, it's an orange wave. Number to 25. Nice one. Did a swap deal with Danilo, so he's now at Man City. Danilo went over to Juventus instead. Alright, so there you go. 2 colored autos in the same box. I guess that more than makes up for the disappointing numbered parallels. Alright, I'll see you later for Donruss Soccer. Cheers.